like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. I am back with something else that I do to my face. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Now listen, I know you're like, Shanygne, what you got now? But at this point, it's becoming therapeutic to me. The things that I am doing for myself, to feel better, look better, it's becoming therapeutic, and I need it to remain sane at this point. So I have started red light therapy. Shout out to Iris Store for sponsoring today's video. But what is red light therapy? It is a non-invasive treatment that uses low-level red near infrared light to penetrate the skin that has a plethora of benefits that include collagen boost, reducing wrinkles or scars, acne fighting, cell renewal, gets a boost out of red light therapy. And I saw all of that and I said, you know what? Sign me up. Now I had seen these going around. I was actually very intrigued. So when Iris Store reached out, I said, I love it when a plan comes together. I love it when the universe is working for me. So let's go through seeing how to actually use this.
This is so easy to use. All you have to do is attach the mask to your face, turn it on, pick which level you would like to use, and I'll go through them a little later on, and then wait the 10 minutes. 87% of people reported smoother wrinkles and lines after using, and 94% of people saw improved tone and texture. Now they are having an early Black Friday sale. You can use the code Shanygne to save $405, and I will of course have it linked in the description down below to make it easy access for you to go check it out. So definitely make sure you go check out the Illumina face mask.
Okay, so what you just saw was me using it on level P1, which is red and infrared, and that is the first level. That is the level if your main focus is collagen boost, reducing wrinkles. So let me turn this on. Ooh. Okay, so now I only pressed it once. It's on level P1. Pushed again, now we're on level P2, which is red, infrared, and blue. This is the level if you are focusing on your cell renewal being boosted, you're focused on a minimizing of pores and oil on your face, and also fighting acne. And then push it a third time, you're now on level, P3, which is blue. And that is the level that you're gonna use this on if you are trying to have acne control, oil regulation, and pore minimizing. I'm not sure if you can see that, but you see how it's actually like blue now that you're on level P3. That's also another way for you to keep track of what settings that you're on. Now, I could use all those levels. I could use the benefits of all those levels. It really just depends on the day. For the most part, I'll probably stick somewhere between P1 and P2. However, I have told you guys that nowadays, even though I do have acne prone skin, it's usually during my cycle that I have more of those type of breakouts. So I might switch to like a P2 or P3 during that time of the month. And I do like how you have those options because you're not always looking for the same thing every day for your skin, because your skin changes so drastically, especially being a woman. It's just, you have one bad day, now everything about your skin is out of whack. But I like how all of the levels have a little something for me that I'm interested in. And while this is something that it's just I enjoy it kind of thing, it's a moment to kind of have a little self-care, relax a little bit, I will use it while I am on the vibration plate, which I'll tell you guys about that later. But I can use it just laying down in bed and just relaxing. It's a calming type of thing for me as well. However, yes, I'm a woman who very much so cares about what I look like. So I like the fact that the thing I am using to have a kind of self-care moment, to kind of calm down, to just kind of chill out, is also helping me when it comes to looking good. Now, I don't know, I might have a little millennial blindness, so I haven't noticed, but I don't think I have, you know, the most prominent of wrinkles or anything like that. So I feel like I will definitely have to wait for a longer use out of this to notice if I see anything as far as like fine lines and wrinkles. However, what I am most excited about is the pore minimizing, the oil reducing, and acne fighting, because those are pretty much like my main concerns when it comes to my skincare routine and just like the overall look of my face. I definitely feel like I have already seen a little minimizing of my pores. Like I see a difference when mind you, like right after using it, but but the fact that I have used it for a little minute now, so I feel like I have already started to see a little difference. And while I actually do prefer being someone who has oily skin, because you age a little better when you have oily skin, I do like, you know, controlling my oil. So I think that is also something that I have noticed a little change with recently. And I've only had one cycle so far while using this light, and I feel like it's helping it go away faster. Now, granted, for the most part, my hormonal acne goes away pretty quickly, but that plus the products and whatnot that I use in my skincare routine, I feel like I am getting a like 24-hour turnover when it comes to getting these breakouts to go away. So okay, I restore. We see each other. Now, this mask specifically has 2 times the LEDs, triple wavelength technology, built-in eye protection. Now, I have heard conflicting stories, which is why I go to the professionals on this, that red light can be good for your eyes, but it depends on the lights that you're using. However, y'all know I had LASIK, and one thing I have not played with ever since is protecting my eyes after that. Okay, once you have poor vision and then you get 20/20 vision, you don't ever want to go back to having poor vision again. So I do not play with that. So shout out to that, having the built-in eye protection, and it's also lightweight and portable, very easy to hold, maintain, all. So yeah, y'all, that is it for this video. And I kind of like those things where it's like I can come back like a year later and be like, look at my face, do you see a difference? Because you know, it's one thing when I see a difference, but if y'all see a difference, that's when I know I'm doing something right. So I can't wait to come back and give you even more updates on this. Let me know if you want like a 3-month, 6-month, 9-month, a year, that type of thing. But everything that I talked about will be linked in the description down below. Let me know if you use these type of masks, if you use the panels, or if you've gotten into red light therapy in general. Let me know all that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah.